Hi guys, I tried the Converge internet. I turned off the other Wi-Fi from PLDT. So I think Converge is much better connection. I want to go around. I cannot sit down too long because of my back. I have to stand while waiting, killing time. I want to check the current. KE Korean Air. Close pa. Close. Kuala Lumpur, Singapore. Toronto. Philippine Airline ng PR. May direct palang ng Toronto. Kuala Lumpur. Vancouver. So, sarado pa talaga ang Korean Air. Too many passenger, guys. So guys, this is the one that you have to declare when it comes to agriculture. Herbs, mushroom, fruits, vegetables, foliage, microorganism, fruit crops. So, yan yung mga agriculture na kailangan nyo, kung magdadala kayo, kailangan nyo i-declare. And this is my luggage. My luggage is exactly 223 kilos. Using boxes. Hirap nang may problema sa likod. Hindi makatagal makaupo. Kailangan ko always on the go, on the move. Korean Air will be counter 29 to 30. Akala ko ang taas ng Canadian dollar dito. Sabi sa akin 41.05 daw. Aba, magpapalit sana ako yung pala pag bibili ka. Pero pag ano ka, pag magpapalit ka 2 peso, 37 lang. Sabi ko na ko, wag na. Sayang yung dollar ko. Ang talang sa Toronto ay 41 to 42 ang exchange rate. Pagdating dito sa Pinas, ang baba. Healing time. Magtanong nga ako din kay Kuya about travel tax. Pay your travel tax here. I think we are exempted because we already pay together with our ticket. Basungwa Black Aya, Love Philippines. At tatanong lang, pag Canadian, hindi na nagpapay ng travel tax, no? Ano, December 8. Thank you. Hehe. Tita. Nakalibre yung 1.5 mong binigay sa akin. Wala akong babayadan travel tax. Kasi ang alam ko yung travel tax namin, included na sa amin ticket. Dami pasahero. Ipa-open ng Korean Air. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I have to sit for a while.